ゼロで奇跡の生還、民間機を助けたの。
845, we have an emergency about 20, 25 to the northwest of International. He's looking for a hole or a airport that it's not IFR.
Corporate approach, Cherokee 63 Foxtrot Kilo.
63 Foxtrot Kilo, corporate approach, identity RP, please.
3 Foxtrot Kilo, currently at 6,700. How far is that, sir?
3 Foxtrot Kilo, it's about 42 miles to the southeast of you. Right, 845, can you still see Mustang Beach? You think you can maybe escort him in for that hole? 3 Foxtrot Kilo, the Texan off your left side now.
3 Foxtrot Kilo, roger, inside.
3 Foxtrot Kilo, the Texan is going to take you to the airport. Just let me know when you have Mustang Beach in sight.
Just lost one tank. Mustang Beach, according to my scope, is 6 miles.